Hi, my name is Kizzy. I am a Nigerian in United States of America driving commercial truck. Right now I'm leaving the house and going to the yard where I pick up the truck and go to a different yard where I pick up the trailer and the load, and then rock and roll. I'm going to be picking up local, we're going to be doing local drive, which means we will be picking up loads in Houston and delivering it within Houston areas and in the surrounding cities. So generally local runs for me, maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours a day, or it might be 12 hours there, depending on how many deliveries and how many places we're going and how far they are from each other. In general, they're always about 20, 30 minutes, but sometimes I go farther out to the Gulf Coast, which might take another, which might take about 3 hours, and sometimes an hour and a half to College Station, a couple Christie and stuff like that. But generally, it might be just a 6 hour day. But the days that I'm doing international, what do you call it, long runs, like going to Dallas or Oklahoma, which is about 400 radius from Houston. It may take minimum to Dallas would be about 12 hours, and to Oklahoma would be about 24 hours. So you leave today and then you come back the next day. So that's generally the difference, and the pays are pretty different too, so but it's pretty good if you know what you're doing. If you don't, you're in trouble. Anyway, we should see. You all got to see how it goes today. It's not easy. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work is not a lot of physical work, but a lot of concentration. You got to be professional in what you do. You are, as a truck driver, you operate a machine, and when you're inside a truck, you're basically in charge of everything in the truck, and so you have to make sure that it's safe, safety, and a little bit more safety, because you're a killing machine when you're on top of that truck, because you can destroy a lot of properties. You can, the truck is too heavy to touch any other vehicle on the road. If you touch any other vehicle on the road, you're going to destroy them. So that's why you got to make sure that you stay in your lane, drive very cautiously, and you make sure that you don't break any traffic rules, because if you do, you're in trouble, because you're going to be the one being hauled to prison because of whatever happens on the road. So, and the small cars, people that are driving with you as you're sitting on the highway, a lot of them, okay, they don't care that you're bigger than them. They're gonna stick their nose in front of you, and if you're not careful, you're gonna get in an accident, and that's not good. It's not good for them. It's not good for you either, because you're gonna have to live with it because you killed somebody. So watch out. You gotta make sure you have the right paperwork. I'm gonna go down and do pre-trip, make sure that all the systems are working fine, okay? And then we can leave. So right now I'm gonna make sure that everything is working fine, that everything is in order. So I'm going down down to check that out. I need my glove. It's important to use your glove because you're going to be touching stuff. Okay? Use my glove and then we'll check things out. When you're coming down, you got to come down with 3 limbs always touching the truck. Okay? 3 limbs on the truck. Minimum 3. Okay? Close as possible, and the one over here you used to see exactly what is by your driver's side. So when a car is passing by, you lose the car first on this mirror, then you capture the car over here with this mirror, and then finally you capture the car on this mirror over there. So you have to look at all 3 mirrors every 8 seconds while you're driving. Every 8 seconds you scan through all the mirrors over here and over there. Every 8 seconds you scan in both 6 to 7 mirrors. And what you're doing is that you are making sure that who is on your side, who is there, and where they are. Before you change lane, you look through all those mirrors to ensure that there's nobody inside your blind side or blind point. So ensure that there's nobody in the blind point before you change lane. So you don't just change lane. Like in a car, you look and then you change lane that easy. In the truck, no, it doesn't work that way. Before you change lane, you gotta look through all the mirrors a couple of times to ensure that all is well before you start changing lanes. Okay? Here we're entering the warehouse of the customer. It's called Emerson Customer. So we're here now. We're gonna go around and see what we got for the day. So on this side, you have the receiving and from the warehouse, from the ports. So all the imports from another country coming here, Italy, Europe, Asia, whatever. They'll come in here. This is a Thai company, okay? Anything flooring. So all these containers come from overseas and they drop all the stuff in here. Then from here, we're going to go to the other side. And you can see all the containers all around. So then we go to the other side where is delivery. Also, we have receiving too, but it's a local receiving from trailers and take it to the customers or to the other locations of this company. And they have this is their main office, central office where everything comes in. Hey, I'm here. Okay, all right. Door 9, okay. Talk to you later. Bye. The emergency air connection to the trailer, and this is the electrical connection to the trailer, and then this is the another air brake. These are all the brakes, okay? This and this is emergency. When this cuts off, the whole trailer will stop. And this is for the service brake. So, you know, stop the trailer and the road and all that. It's connected, and I got no AP. Make sure that the teeth is connected. So this is the landing gear. We have to hold this up. can see, we got a lot of vehicles here, a lot of cars here, vans and all that. And the reason they're all here is because they're here to pick up, orders. Because these are construction guys, construction companies that work in, construction of homes and, buildings and all that. Yeah. And so right here, my job here is to bring the stuff that they buy. But I came at the wrong time because coming at this time, what I did is to come in a very high traffic place. So I gotta have to wait an hour for this place to clear before I can, try to, park my truck here so that it can be unloaded. And that may take an hour or two, as long as it takes. There's no way I can move around here because of so much traffic. I'm too big for this space that is here. So my job now is to simply figure out a way to wait. That's it. Now they took him out. Anyway, so to wait, and I gotta wait. And I don't know where I'm gonna wait because I'm waiting here, but I'm not in the right place because I'm blocking some people out of it, So it's gonna be fun. That's the only really difficult thing in the job, to me, okay? If I can dock, I can get rid of my load and then come back and do the same thing again. But I don't think I'm going to be docking anytime soon because my friend here is parking in front of me. And we're going to just wait. He's stressing out too much, Truck driver's food. Made by my wife. With love. Most time of the Okay, what we did today was that we picked up the truck from the yard and we came to the warehouse and picked up the trailer, took it to the dock, and we got it all loaded, and we took it to the client. It got unloaded, and then after it got unloaded, we came back, dropped the trailer, and then picked up another trailer, took it over there to be unloaded, and we came back and dropped the trailer. Now I'm going to take the tractor back to the yard, and I'm done for the day. See y'all when I see ya.